Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox the June Allure beauty box. You guys seem to enjoy subscription boxes, so I'm going to keep them coming as long as you want to see them. And I just want to say thank you if you're clicking this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving my little channel a chance. Please do subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see more videos. It totally means the world to me and it brightens my day every single time. So thank you so much. And without further ado, let's dive into this box. Also, really quick, while I'm getting into this, I just filmed with some MAC beautiful goodies, and that's what I have on today, and they are so beautiful. So if you want to see this look in action, I actually did my eyes, my lips, cheeks, all that. So that video will be coming really soon, so turn on notifications to see that. And then we have our little pamphlet here, but I want to dive in and see all the goodies for myself. We've got, ooh, a really pretty lime green bag. I'm liking that. So we have one item that is not in the bag. It is the SGX NYC, oh, I guess it's Salon Graphics Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray for volume, refresh, and hold. Ooh, my hair's kind of flat today, so let's give it a go. Ooh. It smells really good. So it smells nice. It did add a little texture, which I feel like I kind of needed, and I do feel like it absorbed a little bit of oil. So there you go. That's our little test of the hair product. I love this little bag. I know some people are not really liking their little bags. They're just like little vinyl, whatever they're made of, plastic. I actually think they're pretty cute, and I would totally take this lime green out. The Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks. This is the pencil in medium brown 04. Funny story, I was actually recently using her little product that's the brush through little microfiber brow product, and I actually really love it. I even like it for, like, this is weird, but my little blonde like baby hairs, they're really light right around my face, and my forehead's big enough without like more space. So I actually was like filling in this area just to darken the hairs. It worked really well, but the wand like totally like snapped off inside the tube, so I can't use it anymore, but I do really like it. So I'm excited to give this one a try. I don't really know how I feel about sharpened brow pencils. I haven't had like the best experience. Ooh, okay, I just did some little strokes there. It looks pretty nice. So yeah, this may be the sharpened brow pencil that I actually like. And it does have a little sharpener on the cap too. The only thing that weirds me out about this is like it's constantly being exposed to air. Like that's on the pencil end. So like I wonder if it's going to dry out, or maybe this is just a formula that doesn't dry out easily and you can't really swap it for the other end, but interesting nonetheless. And then you do have a spoolie as well. That's pretty nice. Next we have the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. So I have not heard of this brand before. It's interesting. Looks like a really decent size. This is a ½ ounce. Most eye creams are either a ½ ounce or a full ounce, so it's kind of right on par. This one goes for $35. I'm not sure if that's the ½ ounce like this or the full ounce. I would assume it's this. So its active ingredients are vitamin C and E, antioxidants that guard against pigmentation and collagen breakdown. Okay. Well, let's see. So it's just like a little tube. I didn't know if it would have like an applicator or what. I'm just gonna feel a tiny bit. It feels really light. If you don't like heavy eye creams, you might like this. It's very, very thin in consistency, which to me, I'm like, ooh, is it gonna be hydrating enough? But it actually feels really nice on the hand. So I'm excited to try this. It doesn't smell like there's any fragrance in it. I'll definitely give this a try, and I'll keep you guys posted on how I like it. I have from Floss. That's a cute name. My new favorite lip gloss. This is the box right here. This retails for $16. Well, we have a pretty good value. And I didn't even tell you about the brow pencil because I literally suck. But the Brow Gal eyebrow pencil is $23. It's about standard. It's a little pricier than like Anastasia, but looks good. This is cute. Oh my goodness. So this is what it looks like. I like this. It reminds me of like Glossier packaging. It says my new favorite lip gloss. So you do have a wand, but I guess you could squeeze it out too. Ooh, this smells like, if you smelled the Kopari little lip shine, lip balm, lip gloss, I'm not sure what it's called, but the Kopari one, it smells like this. I'm gonna put a little bit. Oh, I actually want to kind of squeeze it out on my finger. Ooh, That's a lot like the Kopari one. It says it's squeezable so you can use all the product up, but then you have the doe foot as well. So I guess it's like the best of both worlds. Oh, we've got 2 more products in the box. So we have the Amie Thermal Spring Water. I have a couple things from this brand now. I think everything I've gotten in subscription boxes, and I need to give this one a try. I wonder if this is like the Evian one, but it's just like a spring water. This goes for $18.50. Holy shit. But it says it's soothing and softening for sensitive skin. The ingredients are water and nitrogen. I love these, so don't get me wrong, but I don't really know how it's soothing other than it's water. All right, we've got one little thing left, and this is the Moroccan Oil Treatment. This is 0.34 fluid ounces, and it says this goes for $44. I'm pretty sure that's a much bigger size, so I'll try to remember to put like the value on the screen, but it's a decent size because I know you don't need much of this every time you use it. And I have to be honest though, I don't think I've ever tried it. I think I've gotten like little bitty ones before, but I'll make sure to give this one a shot, especially since my ends are kind of like dry. I could really use a haircut and some hair treatment, so I'll definitely try this out for you guys, and I'll let you know if you're interested. So let me know if you want to see me use any of these products in a video. It's mainly little things, but if you want to see me try out like the gloss or the eyebrow pencil, anything like that, let me know. And then of course we did get our little bag. I like this. I like this green, it's so cute. So that's everything for the Allure Beauty Box for the month of June. Let me know what you think below, if you enjoyed it or not. Are you subscribed or are you considering? I actually think they do a pretty decent job. I'm probably most excited about these 2 products right here, the brow and the gloss, but I'm actually kind of curious about this eye cream as well. It feels like it hydrated really lightly, so maybe one that's good for the summertime. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have one more little thing to take care of, so if you're not interested in sticking around for the dad joke, I totally understand. Thank you for watching, and I will see you later. But if you do want to hear our dad joke, then here we go. Yesterday a clown held a door open for me. I thought it was a nice gesture. All right, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.